Hello, can we solve this problem? Solve for b. If b raised to the power of b equals to 3 raised to the power of b plus 243. Okay, so how do we solve this? Now we are applying this law. X raised to the power of m plus n is the same thing as x raised to the power of m times x raised to the power of n. Okay, so now we have b raised to the power of b equals to 3 raised to the power of b times, 3 raised to the power of 243. Okay, so now here you divide both sides by 3 raised to the power of b. So we have b raised to the power of b over 3 raised to the power of b equals to 3 raised to the power of 243. Okay, now we can factor out the power. So we have b over 3 raised to the power of b equals to 3 raised to the power of 243. Okay, so I want to express this power such that it's going to look like base here. So what will I do to the power? So I have to multiply both powers by 1 over 3. Okay, so now this turns to b over 3 raised to the power of b over 3. So when you multiply this by 1 over 3, so equals to 3 raised to the power of 243 over 3. Okay, so we have b over 3 raised to the power of b over 3 equals to 3 raised to the power of, now 3 goes here, we have 81. All right, so now let's express 81 in another form. Okay, so we have b over 3 raised to the power of b over 3 equals to 3 raised to the power of 3 times 27. Now my objective now is to express this right hand side such that it's going to look like this. Okay, that is, the base will also be the power. All right, so now I have b over 3 raised to the power of b over 3 equals to, now this is 3 raised to the power of 3 raised to the power of 27. And don't forget, this is 27, 3 times 3 times 3. Okay, so we have b over 3 raised to the power of b over 3 equals to 27 raised to the power of 27. All right, so that has been achieved. Then that means that b over 3 equals to 27. So here you can cross multiply. So we have b equals to 3 times 27, and that gives you what? 81. So that is the answer. Thanks.